Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Galaxy Milkshake only way. Start by gathering 2 scoops vanilla ice cream, 1 cup milk, blue and purple food coloring, edible glitter, and a blender. Measure ingredients, chill your glass, and prep a small bowl for color mixes. Work calmly and taste as you go, aiming for balance between sweetness and color intensity for a stunning, drinkable Galaxy treat. Begin by blending ice cream and milk until smooth but still thick enough to hold streaks. Split the base into 2 bowls, tint one with blue and one with purple, and stir each just until color is even. Spoon alternating dollops into your chilled glass, tilting and twisting slightly to create ribbons. Finish with a light swirl on top and reserve extra shimmer for the garnish to make it pop visually. If you're enjoying this guide, please hit subscribe and like to support more tasty tutorials. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, which pairs nicely with treating yourself to creative drinks. I find it oddly calming to read while sipping a Galaxy milkshake, so check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Crown your Galaxy milkshake with a generous swirl of whipped cream and sprinkle edible glitter or luster dust for celestial sparkle. Insert a fun straw and serve right away so the shimmer stays vibrant and the shake remains cold. Mention any textural surprises from glitter and provide napkins, as the sparkle can transfer to lips. Enjoy the sensory wow and encourage guests to twirl the straw to see the colors shift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.